This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the Windows Malicious software removal tool in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To run the Windows Malicious software removal tool in Windows 11, you want to go down to your taskbar down here, down to your start icon. You want to right-click on the start icon. Then you want to go up to where it says Run and click on Run. Now a little dialog box will open up, and in the little dialog box you want to type in MRT and then hit Enter. It'll take it a second. It will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. There it is right there. The Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. It says this tool scans for and automatically removes prevalent malicious software. You go down to the bottom down here, click on Next. Now it asks you to choose the type of scan that you want. Do you want a quick scan that scans areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software? Do you want to do a full scan and it scans your entire system? Or do you want to do a custom scan? I'm going to leave it on quick scan. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to click on Next. Now it's doing a quick scan on my system. It's telling you how many files I've scanned here. It's telling me how many files have been found that are infected. It says the start time and it tells how long it's been going on. I'm going to fast forward this a little bit to get to the end. Okay, it is finished now. It says that there's no malicious software was detected. It has a view detailed results of the scan. You can click on this to view the detailed results of the scan. Go down to the bottom, click on Finish. Thanks for watching.